Obas, I'm Jack the Greek and welcome back for another one of my cooking episodes. Today we have something special all the way down from South Africa. We have Boerewors. Boerewors is a beautiful traditional sausage made in South Africa which you can find in your local butcher if you look hard enough. Now we're going to complement it today with some tomatoes and some onions and some beautiful sauce from our friends Stubbs legendary barbecue sauce. And of course we can't forget the olive oil. Now we're going to cook it all on the CrossRay BBQ. Special way we're going to cook it today because we don't want to overcook it, we don't want to burn it. So we are going to cook it for around 12 to 15 minutes with all burners on low. Okay, so there's not much preparation for our Boerewors sausage. We're just going to simply grab it and put it straight in the CrossRay BBQ. But before we do that, let's just cut up our onions and our tomatoes and I'll show you how I'm going to cook them on the barbecue. I said we're just going to cut them in half, just like this. The onions, beautiful, just like that. And we're going to cook them on the grill. We're not going to put them on straight away. We're going to wait about 5 minutes when it's time to turn over our sausage to cook on the second side before we put in our onion and our tomatoes. Because otherwise, for 10 or 12, 15 minutes, our tomatoes and onions will just overcook. Now what we're going to do is, we're probably going to use both grills, the top grill and the bottom grill on the CrossRay BBQ. Because we want to make sure that we can cook the sausage all the way through. Now it is a bit tricky to cook because inside these gaps, it doesn't always get the full flame and the heat of the barbecue. So we've got to make sure that we are going to cook it properly. So we'll cut our tomatoes like that as well. Just cut them into two. We'll put them back here. Just like that. Just finished our onions and our tomatoes now. Let's put them all back there. And let's grab our Boerewors sausage, straight from South Africa, from our local butcher, and put it on the CrossRay BBQ. It's a bit hard to grab, you just got to be careful. Try to grab it with both hands like that underneath, and watch. Simply, bang. Just like that. And put it in there. We'll leave it there for about 4 and 5 minutes before we turn it around, and then we're going to use the top grill to finish it off. So 4 or 5 minutes, we'll be back. We'll put in our tomatoes and our onions, and after around 10-12 minutes, bang. We have a fantastic, beautiful meal from South African heritage, Boerewors sausage with tomatoes and onions with barbecue sauce. Opa. Back now, we've got our tomatoes and our onions ready, and we've been cooking our Boerewors for around 6 minutes now. Come in close and have a look. Opas, look at that. Beautiful. And now it's time, we're going to turn it over. There we go. So we've got the sausage back down, just like that. And we're going to now put on our onions and our tomatoes. So we'll just put them on the side, just like this. We'll let them caramelize and brown up. And our tomatoes on the other side. Just like that. And by the time the Boerewors is cooked on the other side, our beautiful tomatoes and our onions will also be cooked as well. So we've got a bit more room, we'll put a couple more just there, and we'll bring them in up the back just like that. There we go. We'll close the hood, leave for another about 4 or 5 minutes, and then put the Boerewors on the top grill. As you can see, what I'm doing now is I'm just turning over the onions. We've turned over our sausage. And now I'm also turning over the onions around 4 minutes into my cooking on the second side. Turning over the onions so they can also caramelize on the other side. And we'll turn over and to the left-hand side in a minute. And we will also turn over our tomatoes. But we're going to grab our spatula just to help us a little bit. And there we go. Beautiful. Look at these tomatoes. Opas. Opas. That's it. Just turn them over. And they'll also now caramelize. Oh, there you go, the one at the back hiding away. Beautiful. There we go. These tomatoes probably need 2 or 3 more minutes, as does the sausage. Just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to grab the sausage, nice and gently, just like this. And we're going to place it on the top grill. Beautiful, just like that. Beautiful. because we want that to start cooking from the inside as well now. I'm going to put it up there. We're going to put down the hood, leave it for a couple of minutes, and our Boerewors sausage will be all ready to go. Hoppas, welcome back, and let's have a look to see how our beautiful Boerewors sausage is going. Traditionally from South Africa. We have our tomatoes, we have our onions. It's been around 15 minutes now. It's actually been about 2 or 3 minutes longer than what I would have thought. But that's because I moved it from the bottom grill to the top grill. And the best thing about that was the fact that I've now not overcooked the outside of the sausage and allowed it to cook all the way into the middle. And that's one of the benefits of the CrossRay BBQ, is that you can cook on both the top grill and the bottom grill. So let's start plating up now. We've got our tomatoes. Oppas, look at these beautiful tomatoes. And of course, Jack the Greek can't get away with maybe adding a bit of Greek to our meal today, even though it's very traditional South African. So we'll grab our tomatoes and we just put them here for now. We'll close the lid. We'll let that keep cooking slowly. It's not going to overcook. And also we'll make sure that our beautiful onions are cooked. So there we go. Get our beautiful tomatoes. We'll put as many as you like. We'll put them all. Just like that. Beautiful. No room for the others. We'll just start with them. Put that here. Just like that. And now we have our beautiful sausage. Now let's grab our sausage slowly and gently. Oppas. Look at that. Oh. Oppas. There we go. Our beautiful Boerewors sausage, South African style, ready in the plate, in our tray to be plated up. We have our beautiful onions as well that are now all caramelised. We'll put them like that. Hoppa. Beautiful. Beautiful, just like this. Now we do have some special sauce today, just over here. Stubbs legendary barbecue sauce. I'm going to try it for the first time today. So I've been told it's the closest thing to Jimmy's sauces, which is the traditional South African sauce that you would put with your Boerewors sausage. I couldn't find any of that in Melbourne, so unfortunately we've had to go with this. Okay. Our onions, we love our onions. Beautiful, just like that. We've got our two style of barbecue sauces. We'll just put that over here. One there and one sauce, one more over there, just on that side. Our sauces, and there we go. Now let's not forget our tomatoes. We can't let these ones go to waste. Oh, the little ones that we had at the back, let's put them in as well, just like that. Beautiful. Hopper. I did say I'm going to do something special. Close that. And we'll keep it a little bit Greekish if we can, and give it some Greek style flavour as well. So I will put olive oil. I can't help myself. As Jack the Greek, we have to put a bit of olive oil. Just like that. I can smell the spices coming out of the South African Boerewors sausage. Beautiful. A bit of salt on our tomatoes and our onion. Yes, on our onion. And a little bit of pepper as well, for whoever likes the pepper. Just like this. There we go. Now we'll put these away, just here, for now. And here we go. Beautiful. We have our beautiful South African Boerewors sausage with barbecue tomatoes and onions with two beautiful barbecue sauces.